4-story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, remote start, premium sound system, Uconnect system, hands-free Bluetooth integration. Come test drive the 2019 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, fog lamps. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, keyless start, steering wheel audio controls, security system, MP3 player, cruise control. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.